My name is Aditya from Keithan University, currently pursuing second year in Computer Science department. I have completed my Internet of Things internship from SmartBridge. They have provided with us a smart interns platform where the project details can be seen. So that you have to go to this workspace. Here you can see that the internship title is given, project ID, etc. are given here. Their overall statistics and progress can be seen through these progress bars. Here we are provided with 3 links. One is for Git repository where all the submissions should be given there, a writer where we can write all the documents required for the project, and a Slack channel link where we can communicate with our mentor if we have any doubts regarding the project. Our mentor is Mr. Durga Prasad sir. He's been very helpful and clarifying our doubts. Scrolling down, we can see that all the project details are given here. So project name is Smart Agriculture System based on Internet of Things. Here we are collecting all the information from the crop like moisture, temperature, everything through the IoT sensors and showing that in the dashboard. Also, the weather details required by the farmer to make important decisions can be also be seen in the dashboard. Here we can see this is the main milestone of the project. If you click here, we can see this orange things. These are the many milestones should be completed in order to complete the project. These are the tasks should be completed. Everything has its description and related videos. Here is the Kanban tiles where we can adjust accordingly how much is the project completed, etc. And the mentor can also see this. If any mentor wants the changes, he can share over here. In this internship, we have learned many resources like IBM Cloud, Watson platform, and IoT simulator, Node-RED, and the programming language used is Python. Firstly, the IBM Cloud. We have watched our recorded videos and live sessions in order to get familiar and working with the IBM Cloud. This is the main dashboard of IBM Cloud. To get started with the Internet of Things, we have to click launch over here, which brings us to this tab. Here you can see that there are two devices. One is the IoT sensor, which gives all the details about the crop like temperature, humidity, etc., which are required by the farmer. And second device is the motor. Its both are connected and can fetch the data from the sensor. You might see here the data is being coming in the form of JSON format. So I have connected an IoT sensor over here through the IoT Watson simulator. These are all the variables, so you can change that and everything will be updated over there. Now to work or to connect all these, we require a platform. This is known as a Node-RED. This is the first flow and this is the second flow. Here you can see that this is my sensor, which gives us humidity, moisture, temperature. It shows in the UI and the output is given. And a motor, that is another IBM device connected through IBM platform. Here you can turn on off the motor in the UI. Also, to get the weather details of the current location, I have used Open Weather API, and this can give all the details in the UI. I'll show you. So this is my UI I have created. To run this Node-RED, we have to install through Python. So to run the Node-RED, we have to type Node-RED in the command center or in the terminal. After that, you will get this UI and the Node-RED dashboard. Here you can see that I am giving output of temperature, moisture, and humidity. These are all changeable and real time. You can see that I am changing here, and that will be updated over there. Yes. So this also gives a blind chart of the previous 1 hour of the changes, and you can see here I can control on and off. If I want to off the motor, I click off. If I want to click the on, this on. Here I have created a second pin with the weather details. You can see the current location is given as temperature, etc. Here the temperature and the bar chart if the temperature decreases or changes. The humidity, same way the humidity and the bar chart and the pressure. Okay, to make the motor settings work, I have created a Python script, and you can see here all the commands and the connection is through an Python library called as IVM IoT-F, and you can see the command is received whenever I press the motor action. For example, I want to turn the motor on, and if I go to terminal, I can see that motor is received. Motor on command is received. So this was my project. Thank you.